We see projected scenes on the face of the Empire State Building, which occurred on August 1st of the year 2015. It went over the course of 3.5 hours, almost 4 hours, and on it was a depiction of mass extinction on planet Earth. What they showed were images of endangered species worldwide. The blinking eye that we see from the various animals that they projected on the Empire State Building represent the Eye of Horus. In this scenario, it seems as if the world has caught fire. In this case, we see the Earth, the globe, turning on its axis, with an emphasis on North and South America, ablaze with white light. We see what appears to be 1,000 points of light that George Bush talked about back before our current president took over. Here in slow motion, we see a closer view of the globe turning and what appears to be North America on fire. These may be targets of weapons of mass destruction, perhaps dispersed, projected, or transported, delivered by Hoover Dam. If it is indeed going to be a Stargate, a portal in which objects could be transported without being couried over by land or by freight, by train. Depicted also was the goddess Kali. But before we see Kali, we see what appears to be Shiva, transforming into Kali, the goddess of time, destruction, and sort of like a new age transformation. Because Kali has a third eye with a black face and a tongue that sticks out. Also shown was what appears to be the DNA strands turning about an axis, going straight up and down, in sort of like a vortex configuration, a vortex movement. We see the top of the building with lights that emit blue beams, turning into green, turning back into blue, turning to white. So very peculiar what's happening. Here we see the vortex. Which would appear to be fragments of DNA. But what's more incredible is when you're watching this segment in which the globe seems to be going upward by the control of hands from underneath. The world, if it does depict the Earth, seems to be doing a flip. So this would be that polar flip that has been talking about. Not just a polar shift, but a global flip of the world from top to bottom. The oceans have taken over the coastal areas.